At the receiving dock, the first shipments of farm-raised giant frogs arrive in stainless steel crates. Each animal weighs more than a person and must be guided by hand. Workers in protective gear ease the amphibians onto a slow-moving belt where their health and weight are automatically recorded.
Dorsal surface looks clear. Moisture levels consistent.
Agreed. Texture's uniform. No lesions or tearing.
Limb width 12.48 centimeters.
Noted. Heart rate stable. Breathing regular.
Eyes responsive. Let's clear it for the next stage.
Scan shows stable heart rate. Initiating nutrient microdose.
Injector locked. Flow steady at 0.8 milliliters.
Neural stabilization complete. He's ready for transition.
Copy that.
Sending him forward.
Stage 2 of the process is all about wash and shine. Each colossal frog glides through high-pressure jets as workers, armed with bristled brushes, scrub every inch of the glistening jade skin. Water cascades, mist rises, and the frogs emerge spotless cascades.
Please. Hold the belly steady.
Got it. Legs coming off next tray.
Slide under the ribs. There.
Lot 12 is full. Moving into cold line.
Copy. Starting the next cut.
On this line, giant farm-raised frog meat is portioned and packaged with the precision of a clockwork machine. Each tray is set in place by a worker and handed off to a yellow robotic arm. The arm slips the tray into a tough clear pouch and lowers it into a vacuum chamber. In seconds, the air is pulled away and the plastic shrinks
Got it.
Next one coming through.
Copy that.
All scanned and good.
Pallet's on its way to the dock.
Thanks, Greg.
Anytime.